Pretty elaborate plan, Carl. Unfortunately, it doesn't make any sense. I hope.
Oh, but it does! Your kingdom is now in the grips of horrible coffee cravings. They need coffee. Coffee, which I have.
Drink up, suckers!
What do you want? The removal of Julien as king of the lemurs. In exchange, I will make sure this kingdom has all the brown Julien it needs. How does that sound, Julien? Julien?
I'm conscious. Sorry, Carl, but you're a two-time evil plan failure because there's no way my adoring people would choose brown Julien over the real thing. Right, people? They cast me out? Over coffee? That's the last time I share! Thank you guys for standing by me.
We weren't actually standing.
Of course, Your Majesty.
Smart Mort? You too?
I'll always love you, King Julien, no matter how intelligent I am.
Hey, thanks, Smart Mort. I don't know what it is, but I find your British accent very soothing.
He has the same accent as me.
You have an accent?
I believe I have something that will make you all feel better.
Brown Julien?
I stole grounds out of the trash and made one last batch. It's got a kind of mushroomy old feet infusion that's not bad.
Oh, yeah, that's the feeling.
Take me to the moon, Mama!
Oh, zing-a-ding-ding!